Hey guys, you're watching Droid Crunch. I am Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to see how we can send form values to the other page. There are two ways to do just that. One is the typical way to use request query parameter, and in the second way we will be using Dynamic.ooo Elementor add-on plugin. So first of all, let us quickly see if you have Dynamic.ooo installed how you can do that. Here I am on my form 1 and here's my form 2. Okay, so we will be passing data from this form to this form. Okay, so we have two similar fields, name and email. So the values of these two fields would be passed from one to the other. Okay, so here you can see the ID of name and ID of email and shortcode, field ID email, field ID name. Now in the action I am using redirect to the second form, to this page where the second form exists, and here I have this query parameter. Okay, so this I am using, I can show you here. So here is a query starter and parameter name and shortcode of field ID name, then and to add more parameters, then second parameter email, and then shortcode of my second field of email. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Parameter name, the value of the parameter name would be the value of this form field, and to retrieve this we'll be using the field shortcode ID here just after the equal sign, and to add more parameters we will be using this and sign. Okay, so this is how we have set up our first form. Now in the second form you can see I have name, and in the advanced tab in the default value I have used token system get mname. So we are getting the value of mname parameter here on this name field in my second form. And the email field email, just change of parameter name, and here are two different fields just for demonstration so that you may see that this is the second form. Now let us quickly update this one out and preview the changes. Let us add any name here, Lokesh @dc.com. Let us send this out and we will be redirected with our URL and the values Lokesh @dc.com. So it is working very fine. Now let us see the second way of doing the same. So head over to your form first, and we are using the same way, the redirect and everything is just the same, but on the second form where we have used the token, this system get mname, we shall be using request query parameter here. Type is get, parameter name is mname, and here on the email request parameter, get the parameter email. Let us quickly update the page, and here let us check this out. By opening the first form, let us give it a name like Rohit r@dc.com. Let us send this form out, and you can see Rohit and r@dc.com the email and we have used request query parameter. So both ways you can apply using this, and you can use the same if you want to write some value, like if you want to use some heading here, and here you want to say, for example, hi, you can say system get mname, okay, and say kindly complete the details to send the form, okay. And let us update this one out, and let us check again. Say location cap and say k@poo.com. Let us send this out, and here you can see hi location cap the name, kindly complete details to send the form. So you can utilize the values the way you want, and this is how it works. I hope it helped you. If it did, kindly subscribe to our channel for watching more videos like this. I make videos very often about Elementor and WordPress and SaaS, so please subscribe and like this video, share with friends. See you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.